Hello, welcome to John's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a pralines and cream chili with Disaronno, which will give you that beautiful additional flavour. I will be using just a quarter of a Scotch Bonnet to give it that subtle flavour of heat. And I will add just one shot of Disaronno, which is a sweet liqueur in itself. Yes, I'm sticking to my name, keeping it simple. That's what I'm doing, keeping it simple. What I'm doing is not rocket science, but it's a science in a way. 200 ml of milk, and I'm using oat milk today. Coconut milk works very nice with this too, and also almond milk. You'd have thought I've done this before. Okay. Right, tasting it. Right, let's try the taste now. Right, it's actually beautiful. Of course, if you like to have more Disaronno, it's purely up to you, but it's got a nice, sweet, nutty flavour to it. If you like what I'm doing, visit me on johnsfoodanddrink.com for more information. Thank you very much.